संसारदावा नलनिधलोका प्राणाय कारुण्यं घनघनात्वं संसारदावा नलनिधलोका प्राणाय कारुण्यं घनघनात्वं प्राप्तस्य कल्याण गुणनवस्या वन्दे गुरो श्री चरणारविन्दम् वन्दे गुरो श्री चरणारविन्दम् वन्दे गुरो श्री चरणारविन्दम् वन्दे गुरो श्री चरणारविन्दम् वन्दे गुरो श्री चरणारविन्दम्
राम कृष्ण राम 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 राम कृष्ण राम
Come, my child. Bhagwan, please have mercy on my daughter. Come, child. Just look at him. Unbelievable. Now what's he going to do now? He's going into the fire. This is just look at him. It's a miracle. He's going. Just look at him.
Don't stop him. Let him pass. Tell me, what brings you here, Bhaktivinoda Thakur?
You seem to have done years of penance and acquired some supernatural powers. Therefore, you would definitely know why I have come.
Yes, I do. And I also know that you will never be successful in your mission.
If you know exactly why I have come, then you will also be aware that I will be successful in revealing your identity. You cannot harm me. You are only a magician, not Bhagwan. You are an ordinary fallen soul.
No. How am I an ordinary man? Did you not see all that I could do? I possess unique powers. For the masses, I am Bhagwan. They bow their heads at my feet. They worship me. They praise me, Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
Yes, that's because of their ignorance. And you are exploiting this ignorance. There is only one God, and you also know this. This arrogance of yours has polluted your intelligence. Why have you forgotten that you are not immortal either? If you have studied the Vedic scriptures, then you should know that God is one. So why are you pretending to be God?
What am I doing? Only helping others? Curing the diseased? Do you call that sinful? Making the lame and disabled walk? Do you call that sinful? Helping people to get rid of evil spirits? Do you call that sinful? Those who have only darkness in their lives, I bring them light. Helping barren women to conceive children, you call that a sin, do you?
No, those are not the sins. Your sin is that you claim yourself to be Bhagwan. If you are God, then lift that mountain on your little finger. Just as Sri Krishna had lifted the Govardhan mountain on his little finger and held it up for 7 days. If you are God, then change this day to night and then show it. If you are God, then bring life to this stone now. You fool, you idiot, you can't even save yourself. You can't even stop your own death. Huh. What sort of Bhagwan are you?
All right. I am a human being. But people consider me to be their Bhagwan, Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
They don't know what they are doing.
So what should I do?
You tell them that you are one of them, an ordinary human being, not God.
Never! When my devotees come and close their eyes and bow their heads in front of me, I experience great pleasure, Bhaktivinoda Thakur. When people throng simply to get a glimpse of me, I get great happiness. When people worship me, praise and adore me, I get great pleasure, Bhaktivinoda Thakur. It gives me immense happiness.
I promise you, your days of happiness are numbered. Falgu Bhagwan. I'll expose your true identity through the light of Srimad Bhagavatam.
Don't play with fire, Bhaktivinoda Thakur. I will destroy you and your entire family.
Margot? Please don't worry like this, Ma. Come in and take some rest.
My son, I don't know why I'm in such anxiety. I feel your Baba is in danger.
Ma, don't worry. Baba will be safe. Krishna will protect him. Nothing will happen to him. It's been 3 days since you've eaten or drunk something. You stay awake all night and day. And if this continues, Baba will never forgive me. Come eat something and please take rest.
Bimal, these tantric people are dangerous. They never hesitate to harm anyone. They don't distinguish between children, old, young. He should have returned by now, my son. Why isn't he here?
I assure you, Ma, Baba will be perfectly all right. He'll be back soon.
Bimal Babu? Bimal Babu?
What's the matter, Bajrang? Why are you so frightened?
It has started, Bimal Babu. The fight has already begun between the Tantric and our Babuji. Namaste.
Who told you this, Bajrang?
I'm coming from there. I saw it with my own eyes.
Don't worry, have courage, Ma. Bajrang, you stay here. I'm just coming.
How's he?
He's perfectly fine.
Bimal, why are you so frightened? I'm going to help Baba.
Okay.
Yes, you don't worry. Don't worry, Ma. I'm going to help Baba. Kamalda, take care of Ma.
Okay.
Come, Bajrang.
Namaskar, Mataji.
Be careful. Take care, my son. Take care. Krishna, protect him, hey Prabhu. Take care of my son, Krishna.
Namaskrityam naram chaiva narottamam deving saraswatim vyasam tato jayamudiraye savai pungsam paro dharmo jato bhakti radhokshaje ahaitukka pratihata jajatma suprasidati vasudeve bhagavati bhakti yoga prayojita janayattashu vairagyam jnanam cha jad ahaitukam dharmashanusthita pungsam vishakshena kathasuya notpadayet jadiratim shrama eva hi kevalam shrinnatang sakatha krishna punna shravana kirtana hriddantasthaya bhadrani vidhunoti suhrit satam nashtaprayeshu abhadreshu nityam bhagavata sevaya bhagavati uttama shloke bhaktir bhavati naistiki tada rajastamo bhava kamalobho dayaschaje cheta etairana viddham sthitam shakti prasidati evam prasanna manaso bhagavad bhakti yoga bhagavad tattva vidyana mukta sangha janita bho viplavo jat shrinnanti gayanti grinanti sadhavaha takta sadharmam charanambujam harer bhajan napakotha patittato भद्रम् अभूद अमुष्यकिं कोबार्थ आप्त अभजतां सधर्मतः तस्यैव हेतो प्रजतेत कोविद न लभते जगत्थमतामुपर्जसा तल्लभते दुःख वदन्नतः सुखम् कालेन सर्वत्र गभीररंहशान्तकोविद न लभते जगत्थमतामुपर्जसा तल्लभते दुःख वदन्नतः सुखम् कालेन सर्वत्र गभीररंहशान्तः इदं हि विश्वं भगवानिवेतरो जतो जगत्स्थाननिरोधसम्भवः
Bhakti Vinod Thakur! Fire!
तद्हि स्वयं एव भवं सत्ते तमात्मनात्मानम् अविज्यमोहद्रिक् परस्य शिष्टस्य सुप्तस्य च बुद्धिदत्तयो अविच्युतार्थ कविभिर्निरूपिता यदुत्तमश्लोक शृण्वन्ति गायन्ति गृह्णन्तभिक्ष्णुष स्मरन्ति तैव पश्यन्त चिरेण पुरस्थिते मिलितवृत्तयो जयति जन्मनाव्रज शयत इन्दिरां शश्वत्र द्वैतदृश्यतां वीक्षितावता तैर्भुता सर्वदाशये साधुजातः सरसिजोदरे सुरतनाथ शिल्पदाशिता वरधमुखते तव कथामृतं तत्त्वजीवनं कविभिरीडितं कर्मसातहं श्रवणमङ्गलं श्रीमदाततं भूरिगृह्णन्ति
राम कृष्ण राम भैया ओ राम कृष्ण राम रे कृष्ण ही भगवान भैया कृष्ण ही भगवान रे राम कृष्ण राम भैया राम कृष्ण राम रे कृष्ण ही भगवान भैया कृष्ण ही भगवान रे
Come on, we play here. Come on, catch me.
Careful. Don't jump on them.
Come on.
Oh, Rajeshwari, don't jump on that.
Come here. Kiss me. Come on. Come here. Kiss me. Come. Catch me. Come, catch me.
Arey, what are you doing? Oh, this is going to fall out of my hands. These naughty children. Rajeshwari?
Yes, Ma?
Shunama, I'm going to Malti Mashi's house. Abhay is sleeping. Please don't disturb him.
All right.
Gaurango?
Yes, Bodhi?
I'm going to Malti Di's house. In case Abhay wakes up, please take care of him.
All right, Bodhi.
Look him up.
Ma, I want to go with you too.
Please don't follow me around. I'll be back soon.
All right.
Go and play with your friends.
Hey, come on.
Understood?
No, Grandma. You?
Malati Ma? Arey, Mashima.
Mashima.
Namaskar. Come in, Mashima.
God bless you, my child.
Ashin.
May you live long. When did you come in?
A little while ago. Where are you coming from, Mashima?
I had been to my daughter-in-law's. Her brother's son died after only 3 days of high fever.
3 days of fever? And the child died?
What kind of disease is this? Which has absolutely no cure.
Really? What disease is this, Mashima?
Arey Ma, this start fart disease.
Dark fart?
Huh?
Doctors have already said that they don't have a cure for this. God, a lively child is no more.
Oh, my.
Imagine the state of the mother. Bhagavan, I wouldn't even wish this for my enemies. Yes, my child. I've heard that the disease is spreading all over. Not only children. It doesn't even spare the adults or the old. So many are dying. Bhagavan, please save us from the tart fart disease.
Tart fart? Mashima, this must be typhoid.
Arey, that's right. But Ma, please don't even utter that word.
Rajini, the doctors must have some remedy for this disease.
Then why are so many people dying, Malti? Krishna. Oh, Malti, it has started raining. I'd better be going home. The children are alone.
Arey, look at that. You've left the children and the rains have followed you. Stay back. Leave after the rains have stopped.
No, Malti, I don't know what the children will get up to. I'd better leave. I'll come again.
All
okay?
right.
Acha, Mashima.
Hey, Rajni, take an umbrella and go.
বৃষ্টি পড়ে ঠাকুর টপুর নদে এলো পান শিব ঠাকুরের বিয়ে হলো তিন কন্যা দান
Oh, Krishna, children. Abhay, come. Children, don't play. Arey, Baba. Arey, my papa. Oh, Krishna. Arey. Don't. Arey, come on.
Gaurango? Rajeshwari? Gayatri, what is happening? Oh, come on. Come out of there. Oh, Abhay. Abhay? Oh, Rajeshwari. You children. Come on. Come out of there. Abhay, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, Abhay. Oh, you children are so mischievous.
अच्छा मुरली, नमस्कार.
Namaskar.
I was worried that the rains will not stop all night. There was water up to here on the streets.
Really? Even here, the whole courtyard was full of water. We haven't had such heavy rains for a long time.
Yes, a long time. Hare Krishna.
You have your bath. I'll get the offering
All
ready.
right.
भज गोविंद भज गोविंद भज गोविंद का नाम रे भज गोविंद भज गोविंद भज गोविंद का नाम रे नाम बिना तेरे गोविंद के, नाम बिना तेरे कोई ना आवे काम रे। भज गोविंद भज गोविंद भज गोविंद का नाम रे। ये जीवन सुख दुख का मेला, ये जीवन सुख दुख का मेला, दुनियादारी सपनों का खेला। ये जीवन सुख दुख का मेला, दुनियादारी सपनों का खेला। जाना तुझको पड़े केला, जाना तुझको पड़े केला। भज रे हरि का नाम रे। भज गोविंद भज गोविंद भज गोविंद का नाम रे। गोविंद की महिमा गा के, गोविंद की महिमा गा के, प्रेम का उस पर फाग लगा के। गोविंद की महिमा गा के, प्रेम का उस पर फाग लगा के। जीवन अपना सफल बना ले, जीवन अपना सफल बना ले। चल ईश्वर के धाम रे। भज गोविंद भज गोविंद भज गोविंद का नाम रे। भज गोविंद भज गोविंद भज गोविंद का नाम रे। भज गोविंद भज गोविंद भज गोविंद का नाम रे। भज गोविंद भज गोविंद भज गोविंद का नाम रे। भज गोविंद भज गोविंद भज गोविंद का नाम रे।
ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। श्री भगवान उवाच ऊर्ध्वमूलं मधुशाखमश्वस्थं प्राहुरव्यहं छन्दांसि यस्य अपर्णानि यस्तं वेद स वेदविद्। अधश्चोदं प्रस्थितः तस्य शाखा गुणप्रवृद्धा विषयप्रवालः। ततः पदं तत्परे मार्गितव्यं यस्मिन् गताः न निवर्तन्ते भूयः। तमव चद्यं पुरुषं प्रपाद्ये यतः प्रवृत्ति प्रसृतं कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण।
Abhay, come on. Abhay, listen to me. Come on. Okay, just you wait. Abhay.
Hey, Rajni,
Hago?
look, his body's so hot.
Really? Oh, Ma. This is what I was dreading. Today I had gone to Malti's house for a while. When I came back, Abhay was playing outside in the rain.
Oh.
He made me run around so much that I slipped and fell.
But where were Rajeshwari and Gayatri?
They were all in it together.
I'll have to go and get some medicine. He's got very high fever.
Please don't worry. I'll prepare a medicine for him. It's just a fever. I'm sure he'll be all right. Come and take Prashad. Come, Abhay.
No. Dinner can always wait. First you go and make his medicine, go.
Oh, dear me. You get so worried about such small things.
So, troubling your mother? See, that's why you've fallen ill. Everything will be fine. Now look at me. Look at me. Huh?
Rajeshwari, please come out and play. Yeah, come. We'll play. Come on. Play, come on.
Careful, careful. Krishna. Oh, don't fight, children. Don't fight. Bhagwan.
Oh, Rajeshwari. She's your little sister. Give it to her.
Yes, come on, do it. Yes, come on. Yes. No, out. You're out, come on. Now my chance, come on. No, come on, give me, it's my chance, come on. Yes, 1, 2. Yes. No. My chance. Get right.
Oh, why do you keep fighting?
It's my chance. Come on, it's my chance. Give me. No, I want to start. You go and try. Yes. First. Yay. 1, 2, 3. No, you are out. Let me play now. It's my chance.
Abhay? Abhay? Oh, Rajeshwari. Abhay is coming down. Keep an eye on him.
Don't fight. No, it's my turn. Let me play. Yes, come on. Hey, you out. Come on, let me play. Now it's my turn. No. Yes. So nice, Abhay. Come on, let's have fun. Come on, Abhay. I'm first. No, it's my turn. Come on, now it's my turn. Give me. No. See her, no. Mommy, see, no. It's my turn. No. Let me play. My turn. See her, no. My turn. You're out.
Ma! Arey, what happened? Gaurango, pick Abhay up.
Huh? Abhay? Poti, something's wrong with Abhay.
What? Oh, Ma. Oh, Krishna. Oh, Ma. Abhay. What happened to Abhay? Why did you come down? Gaurango, why did you have to come down? Gaurango, go and call Dada quickly. Oh, Ma, what will I do now? Ma, Krishna. Abhay.
Dada, come quickly.
Arey, what happened? Why do you scream like that?
Something's wrong with Abhay. Everyone is crying.
Oh God, crying?
Gorman Babu, you don't worry. I'm here to take care of
Okay,
this.
Shumankar, please take care.
All right.
Thank you. Krishna, please look after this, Krishna. Come.
Oh, Krishna. Why hasn't he come yet?
He should be on his way. Don't worry.
Kakima.
Don't panic, Poma.
Baba, why is Ma crying? What happened to Abhay?
Don't worry, my child. He'll be
Come,
okay.
children, don't trouble Baba.
Go see what's happened to Abhay. Please come and have a look.
All right. Be brave, Rajni. Everything will be fine. Come.
Oh, Krishna.
What happened?
He was coming down the steps. He fell down and fainted. Please go and call the doctor quickly.
Yes. Please hurry.
Yes, I'll go.
Go quickly.
Please hurry. Rajni.
All right, please don't worry. I'll go.
Rajni, what's happened to Abhay?
Look, he's fainted.
You better stay here. I'll go and get the doctor immediately.
Don't be nervous, he'll be all right. Let's take him in. Come. Careful. Slowly, slowly.
Boss Babu,
What's the matter, Gorman Babu?
come with me, please.
What happened? Why so serious?
Boss Babu, Abhay is not well.
Abhay not well? What happened?
Can't say. Suddenly he fainted.
He's fainted? Come.
Yes, please, come.
Hey, Nandalal, please save my son.
Oh, Ma, Baba is here.
Please come.
Dr. Babu. No, baby. Come on, baby.
Come this way.
Come here. Don't worry. Krishna. Children, please move
Please
away.
move aside. Please. You too. Thank you.
Krishna. Abhay.
How did this happen?
Yesterday he got drenched in the rain, and at night he had fever. And this morning, he seemed all right this morning. And now, he was coming down the stairs, and suddenly he fell down and fainted. Rajni, don't worry, he'll be fine.
Have you heard of Dr. Walter?
Yes, I have.
Please go and bring him here soon.
Dr. Walter? Why, Boss Babu? Can't you do something?
Gorman Babu, please give him the letter. He'll understand. Hurry.
Be brave.
Faster, please, come on. Faster, bhaiya. There we are, we've reached.
No, I understand. Just finish the course of medicines I've recommended it to you. Don't worry. All right. Call me in 2 days. Thank you.
Sir, one Mr. Gaur Mahante would like to see you.
Please show him in.
All right.
Good day. Please, sit down. Now, what can I do for you?
Kindly read this.
Oh my God! All right, let's go.
Thank you very much, sir.
Bodhi? He's regained consciousness.
Abhay! Shona Baba, how are you? Oh, thank God, you're all right.
Please come, sir.
Oh, Krishna.
Dr. Bose, Rajni,
Dr. Walter, thank you for coming, sir.
Not at all.
Come in, please.
Mr. Day, I think it's best that you and your family wait outside.
Okay. Come, let's go.
Mrs. Day, if you don't mind waiting outside for a moment.
Yes, Bodhi, please.
Abhay, I'm waiting outside. No, Krishna. Don't cry, Boma.
Unfortunately, your diagnosis is correct, Dr. Bose. This boy has typhoid. And as you know very well, there is no cure for it.
Any hope, doctor?
I'm a physician, not a priest. Hope is not in the textbooks of my science. Unfortunately, the odds are not in his favor. There are some survivors, very few. The Royal Academy of Physicians has recommended that at the critical time of fever, ample nutrition be given to the patient. My colleagues have had some success by giving chicken soup, and I would suggest you make arrangements for it immediately.
Chicken soup?
It's all right, don't worry.
These people are Vaishnavs, doctor. Is there any other remedy?
This is not the time for experimentation, Dr. Bose. This boy's fever is too high. Don't delay. We haven't got much time.
Doctor,
I've explained everything to Dr. Bose.
okay.
Just follow his advice. And may God be with you.
I'll see him off.
Thank you. What happened? Is everything fine? What did he say?
Gorman Babu. Abhay's got typhoid.
Huh? What? Typhoid? What shall we do?
What happened? Please tell me. What happened? Why don't you tell me?
He's got typhoid.
Typhoid? Oh no. Dr. Babu?
Bodhi. You know that until now, there is no cure for typhoid.
But still, there must be a remedy, Bose Babu.
Gorman Babu, there is one. That is.
And what's that, Bose Babu?
The thing is, Gorman Babu, that at this time the body needs a lot of strength. And he's just a child. If he's strong enough, then he can fight any disease.
Tell me what is to be done. Please don't hesitate.
Gorman Babu, I know you can't do this. But you will have to do it.
Do what?
There might be a way of saving your son.
Yes, please tell us then.
Bodhi,
Yes.
Abhay should be given chicken soup.
Chicken soup? No. Never. Bose Babu, do you even know what you're talking about?
Yes, I do. But it is a necessity. It's a question of Abhay's life.
Oh, Bose Babu, if it's a question of giving strength to the body, then there are other ways. Why only this? No, never, never. Krishna will take care of us. He will.
Bodhi, please make him understand.
Yes, Rajni. Explain to Dada. It's a question of Abhay's life. Go.
Listen, please. I know what we're doing is not correct, but it is our duty to protect our child.
Oh, Rajni, I'm not going to let all this happen in our house. I'm not going to putrefy my son like this. If there is no other solution, then let there be none.
Oh, no.
Krishna will take care of everything. He can see everything. He knows everything.
Yes, I know. Yes, I know that Krishna will take care. If he doesn't desire, nothing can ever happen. But we have to make an effort. I'm begging you today. I do have a right as your wife on my son, don't I?
My God, Rajni, please don't force me to...
Please listen. I'm begging you for Abhay's life. Krishna forbid if something were to happen to Abhay, I won't be able to bear it. I'm begging you for Abhay. For my son's life, please.
Oh, Rajni, why don't you... Why don't you understand, Rajni? Oh, Krishna. God. Please help me, Krishna. Oh.
but it will never be cooked in my house.
Don't worry. I'll cook it and bring it.
Krishna.
Prodi. See, Abhay, what I've got for you. Open your mouth. My good child. Come on.
No, my child.
Open your
no,
mouth.
my child.
See, I've
Open
got
your
some
mouth.
nice medicine
Don't
for
worry.
you.
You'll be
You
all
can have
right.
it and
Don't
you will
worry,
be okay.
baby. Open your
your
mouth.
mouth. Come on, Abhay. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Don't
Come on.
worry, my child.
Come on.
Don't do that.
You must have this. It's good for you.
All right.
Medicine.
Don't cry.
Good boy. Come on.
My
Good
child,
child, Abhay.
open your mouth.
Have it.
Don't worry. Open your mouth, my child.
Good child.
Don't worry.
Come on. Must have the medicine, otherwise you won't.
Everything will be all right. Open your mouth, my child. Be a good boy now.
Come on, Abhay. Be a good boy. You must have your medicine.
My baby.
How will you get all right? Come on. Must have it.
Oh, baby.
My.
Stop it. Stop it. Enough. Enough, I said. Stop all this. Move away, all of you. He doesn't want any of this now. Come on. Don't force it on him anymore.
But Gorman Babu?
What's happening? What are you doing? Where is he taking the baby?
ईश्वरः परमः कृष्णः सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहः अनादिर्गोविन्दः सर्वकारणकारणम्
Krishna, Krishna.
चिन्तामणि प्रकर सर्वसुकल्पवृक्ष लक्षावृतेषु सुरभिरभिपालयन्तम् लक्ष्मी सहस्रशतसम्भ्रमसेव्यमानम् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहं भजामि वेणुं वनन्तम् अरविन्ददलायताक्षम् बर्हावतं समसिताम्बुदसुन्दराङ्गम् कन्दर्पकोटिकमनीयविशेषशोभम् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहं भजामि श्रियकान्तः कान्तः परमपुरुषः कल्पतरवो द्रुमभूमिश्चिन्तामणिगणमयितोऽयम् अमृतम् कथागानं नाट्यं गमनम् अपि वंशिप्रियसखी चिदानन्दं ज्योतिः परमपि तदस्वाद्यम् अपि च स यत्र क्षीरभिसवति सुरभिभ्यश्च सुमहान् निमेषार्धात्यो वा व्रजति नहि यत्रापि समयः भज श्वेतद्वीपं तमहं इह गोलोकम् इति यम्
Boss Babu,
Yes?
Abhay will recover, won't he?
I can't say anything. He's in a serious condition. In his condition, no one recovers.
Arey, aren't you all ready as yet?
Hare, you've arrived. Just see. He's sitting there and sulking. I feel he doesn't want to go to the Mela.
Arey, no, how can that happen? I've come for my Abhay. Come now, come, look. That's like a good child. Come on, we'll all go to the fair now. We'll have lots of fun, play lots of games. Come on. Yes, all of you get ready fast, okay? Come, let's go to the fair now.
Acha, Rajeshwari, Gayatri, chalo, you two go out and play. I'll get dressed. And don't dirty your clothes. Alright?
Alright, Ma.
Do you intend buying everything in the Mela?
Arey, it's always like this with kids around, Shubhankar.
Malati.
Abhay wanted to buy a pistol. Come on now, let's go and
Let's go for darshan.
And let's go and have darshan.
Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath. Jai.
Krishna. Why are you staring, Abhay? Offer your obeisance. Look at Abhay, look at Abhay.
That's it, Abhay. Now it's your chance, huh? Now you two ring the bell. Come on.
Come on,
Baba.
children. Come on.
Come here. Now come here.
Let's go.
I'm feeling
Let's go,
very
Baba. Let's
tired
go.
now.
Come.
Tired? Okay, let's go home. Come on, kids. Let's all go home. Come on, Abhay. Come.
Don't get up to any mischief now.
Are you tired?
Take care.
Let's go.
Bhagwan Jagannath is Shri Krishna and Shri Krishna is Bhagwan Jagannath. Alright?
Oh, what a beautiful Rath.
Yes, it's very beautiful indeed. Abhay, what happened? Abhay? Abhay?
Don't get up on that now,
No,
Abhay.
beta.
I want this rat.
This chariot?
I want
Baba, it
this
is so
rat.
heavy that you won't be able to pull it. Lots and lots of people are required to pull this chariot.
Baba, but I want this rat.
Abhay, this is Lord Jagannath's Rath and it stays here. Chalo, Amashuna Baba, let's go home. Huh?
I want this rat.
Chalo, Abhay.
Let's go home, Abhay. I'll make a
Chalo,
similar
chalo,
chariot
chalo.
for you. See, Abhay, this is how you start making the chariot. And this goes right there. Like this. Yes. And this goes over there. This way. Ha. Well, now your chariot is ready.
Ma, the rat is ready. Come quick.
Yes, Abhay, I'm just coming.
See, Ma is here.
Hold this, Garam.
Oh, Bhadarani is also here. She has also come to see your chariot.
What a beautiful Rath.
Yes. Gayatri, pass me the seat, please.
Look, Bhavatarani. Baba is going to Rath
This way.
Farana.
Yes, that's right.
So beautiful.
Now we place Shri Jagannath here. And Shri Subhadra Devi comes right here. And now comes Shri Balaram over here. See how nice they all look together?
Acha. Be careful.
All right, let's arrange the flowers now, okay? Come on, come on. Do it this way. Yeah, come on, why don't try it? Yeah, come on. Yes, yeah, this way. This way. That's right. Yes, you do it too? Aha, very good. That's a nice boy.
Baba, can I pull the Rath now?
Oh, yes, certainly, my boy. I shall bring it down for you just now. Yes, yes. Come this way. Come this side. Gorango, lend me a hand, please. Yes, be careful, careful, careful. Yes. Please remove this from here.
Bhavatarani.
All right, now enjoy it. Take it, carefully.
Look what
Very
Didi
good.
and Dada are doing.
Carefully.
Look.
See?
Hagar. Now this Rath is ready. And soon we'll have the Rath Yatra.
Yes.
But have you explained to them why Lord Jagannath's Rath Yatra is celebrated?
Oh, yes. I think I should tell them. Come on, children. Come here. Yes, come here. Come sit. So, children, do you know why we celebrate the Rath Yatra of Shri Jagannath? Huh? Do you know? I shall tell you.
Listen carefully, Bhavatarani.
Listen carefully. 5,000 years ago, Shri Krishna, Shri Balram, and Subhadra Devi. Do you know who Subhadra Devi is? Well, Subhadra Devi is the sister of Shri Krishna and Shri Balram. So 5,000 years ago, on the occasion of the solar eclipse, Krishna, Balaram, and Subhadra Devi went to Kurukshetra from Dwarka.
पशु पक्षी तरसे बरसे नयन जैसे सावन बरसे ब्रज का कण कण तरसे दरस को अब आ जाओ घनश्याम घनश्याम
चलो राधे, कुरुक्षेत्र चले। समंत पंच का धाम। हर कल्प पूर्ण सूर्य ग्रहण जब लगता है तो उसमें स्नान करने से सारे जन्मों के पाप धुल जाते हैं। सब यदुकुल वाले वहां आए होंगे, हमारे कान्हा भी वहां होंगे। कितना अद्भुत मिलन का दृश्य होगा। चलो ना राधे, चलें। तड़पो तड़पो राधे तड़पो। जितना तड़पोगी यहाँ तुम, उतना आनंद उसे मिले। रथ पर बैठे हंसता होगा, राजन है वो द्वारका का। उठो राधे, चलो, ब्रज लौटने का समय हो गया। चलो वृंदावनेश्वरी, चलो।
Listen, brother, listen. The Prince of Dwarka looks indeed delighted.
But brother, it seems he's still not happy. Is it true?
Yes, it's true, brother. He's had a chance to meet each and every one. Yet what could it be to make him so unhappy?
Cause he has not met the gopis.
नहीं नहीं ये नहीं मेरा श्याम दूल्हा, ये नहीं नंदला, धेनु चरैया मोरा कान्हा, धेनु चरैया ये तो है राजकुमार, ये नहीं नंदला, नहीं नहीं ये नहीं मेरा श्याम दूल्हा।
हे राधे, जरा हमें भी तो बताओ, कैसा लगता है तुम्हारा नंदलाल?
यशोमती नंदन ब्रज पर नागर, यशोमती नंदन ब्रज पर नागर, गोकुल रंजन काना, गोपी वरण धन मदन मनोहर, कलया दमन विधाना, गोकुल रंजन काना, गोकुल रंजन काना। नवीन नगरपुरा विपिन पुरंदर, नवीन नगरपुरा विपिन पुरंदर, अमल हरिणा अमीय विलासा, कमसे वदन सुवासा। ब्रजजन पालन असुर कुल नाशन, ब्रजजन पालन असुर कुल नाशन।
बलराम सुभद्रा के साथ, बलराम सुभद्रा के साथ, बलराम सुभद्रा के साथ।
जय जगन्नाथ, जय जगन्नाथ स्वामी, जय जगन्नाथ, जय जगन्नाथ, जय जगन्नाथ, जय जगन्नाथ स्वामी, जय जगन्नाथ, जय जगन्नाथ, जय जगन्नाथ, जय जगन्नाथ।
Yes, Bimal Prasad.
Baba, I wanted to talk to you about something.
About what?
Baba, you have given me a good education. People consider me to be a scholar of the Vedas. But still, why do I feel such discontentment, Baba?
Bimal Prasad. Veda, Purana, Mahabharata, and even in spite of writing the great Vedanta Sutra, Sri Ved Vyasa's mind was unsettled, dissatisfied. Then, his spiritual master, Narad Muni, instructed him, even though you have simplified the Vedas for the fallen conditioned souls of Kali Yuga, still, you have not described the pure glories of Sri Krishna. Thereafter, Sri Vyasadeva composed Srimad Bhagavatam, which is known as the spotless Purana. Come, sit down. In every verse, in every word, there is sublime glorification of Sri Krishna. Thus, Sri Ved Vyasa's perturbed mind became full of joy. Similarly, unless one follows the path of pure surrender to Krishna, the mind will never feel contented. This path can only be shown to you by a pure devotee of Krishna.
But Baba, where can I find such a pure spiritual master? I don't know where to look for him.
You do not have to, my son. He is very close to you.
I don't understand, Baba. Who is he?
Srila Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj. He will show you the right path.
Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram.
Babaji Maharaj.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Pranam Babaji Maharaj.
Babaji Maharaj, I am only taking the dust off your feet, Maharaj.
Well, don't. Hare Krishna, Hare
Maharaj.
Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram, Ram.
Babaji Maharaj.
Hare Krishna, 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 Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram, Hare.
Maharaj,
What?
that is enough. I can't bear to see you like this anymore. How can you possibly live here, Maharaj? Your real place is in my palace, Baba.
Hare Krishna.
Now, if you would...
Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare.
Maharaj,
Hare Krishna, Krishna.
please don't sleep on these stones. Use a comfortable velvet bed. Why wear these old torn clothes? I will get special silk cloth from Bangalore for you. Accept them and come with me, please.
Where?
To my humble abode, Baba. It's your house. All that I have achieved is due to your kindness. With your blessings, I have become a king from a pauper. Please, do me one more favor, Maharaj. Your divine presence in my humble house will indeed give me immense pleasure.
What will I do in your humble house? I'm all right here, Manindra.
No, Maharaj. If you come there, I will have the good fortune to serve you. I would devote my entire life to you. I want to stay all the time with you.
Is it that you want to stay with me or you want to keep me with you?
No, but...
Hare Krishna, 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 Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, 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 Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, 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 Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare.
So, what did you decide, Maharaj?
Listen, my friend. Today I am your well-wisher. But if I was to stay with you, then I'll be tempted by a wealth and greed will creep into my heart and make me your enemy then.
How is that possible? You are simply joking, but you have to come.
So you really want my association, huh?
Yes, Maharaj.
You want to serve me, right?
Yes, Maharaj.
Then listen to me.
Instruct me, Maharaj.
Come here. Now there's no need of this. If you really want to stay with me, then don't leave this place. Just stay here. We will live together
No,
under
Maharaj.
the tree,
I
chant
have
the
to
holy
inform my family,
name,
Maharaj.
and eat whatever
No,
shall
no,
we
I
get,
can't
and you
stay.
really be
No,
happy. Stop! Arey, stop! Maya's agent, trying to entice me, telling me stories about his palace, about the silk cloth. He's eager to serve me. If you can't serve Krishna, then we'll have nothing to do with you. Hare Krishna, 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, 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 Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare. Maharaj, what brings you here? What do you want?
Babaji Maharaj, I have come here to beg for something.
What? You're begging from a beggar?
Yes, Maharaj. I simply beg for bhakti. Would you kindly consider me as your disciple? I want to offer myself to Krishna. And you are the one who can show me the way.
Bimal Prasad. The great exponent of astrology. Ore, how can I be a guru? I can't even spell my own name properly. It seems like Bhakti Vinod Thakur has tricked you by sending you here to me. I could not become a disciple myself. How can I be a guru to someone?
Maharaj, please do not reject me. I want to become a disciple of yours and achieve Krishna Prem, so that my troubled heart can become peaceful. Then I can realize the path that will make my life worthwhile. And only you can lead me to that path, Babaji Maharaj.
You ask a blind man to show you the way. Go. Find a guru who is capable of showing you the right path. Go find a real guru.
But Maharaj, you are that person.
I've nothing to offer. Absolutely nothing. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Maharaj, please don't reject me like this.
Krishna.
Please test me in whichever way you want.
Krishna.
I am ready.
All right. Go home now. I shall ask Krishna's permission. If Krishna thinks that I'm worthy of becoming your guru, then I will give you initiation. Go now. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Didn't you hear me? Go!
Yes, Maharaj.
Krishna.